This leads me to my next point, which is why it is critically important to have a cannabis point of sale that's truly built and compliant for your specific state. Many times, POS companies are focusing on market share, which is great until this gets the company into trouble because a customer is not compliant within the state's rules and regulations. Here are just a few examples of how rules and regulations differ in every single state. So first and foremost is purchase limits. Across the state, how much cannabis can be sold in one transaction, within one day, or even within a rolling 30-day period is tracked. And where it gets tricky are things like edibles, concentrates, and other manufactured goods. This is because they can be equivalent to flower by weight or by THC potency within the product. The second big element to look out for is labels. Some states require what is called an exit label, which prints the details of the sales transaction and placed on each unit at the time of the sales. What gets tricky is you are physically printing a tangible product and the label needs to meet specific size requirements while not obstructing the view of other labels. Essentially, labels are very sensitive to dispensary workers. And the reason for this is because a lot of times, this is something regulators will look out for when they're on site doing an inspection. The next big element to take a look at is batch tracking. So how does the point of sale manage multiple batches, testing lots, and how do they handle product recalls? This could be an entire video in itself. So if you are unclear about any of these items, then consider booking a free 30-minute introductory consultation with me. And within 10 hours of working together, I've worked with a ton of clients across the nation. They have had a complete roadmap on how to expand into new states, the common obstacles to look out for, and the pitfalls to avoid while developing their software solution.